Hey guys, my name is Revishaan, and in today's video I'm going to go through the perfect GCSE/A-level routine that sort of got me through my GCSEs. It's sort of what I did, what I didn't do, just sort of like formulated to give one splodge. But hopefully you do find this video useful. It would be amazing if you guys could subscribe. I'm begging you, please, on behalf of the Ramen Nal Association, please subscribe to my channel. The first thing I just want to talk about is getting your routine into ship-shape without any caffeine. Caffeine is literally going to ruin your schedule. You need to wake up on time and you also have to go to bed on time. I know it's a bit hard, but trust me, caffeine is not your friend right now. I used to drink like green tea so much and I regretted it just because at night time I couldn't sleep and in the morning I was way too awake and it was just not the right balance. So before your exam, don't drink any caffeine because, trust me, it won't do well unless, I just wouldn't recommend it. And at night time, don't drink caffeine, so just cut caffeine for the whole exam period. The next thing you need to know is that you need to wake up early-ish and you need to sleep early-ish. By waking up early, I don't mean like waking up at 5 a.m, 6 a.m, do those productive routines you see on TikTok that I might have made before. What I mean is maybe like if you've got an exam at 10:45, I'd wake up at maybe 7 or 8, just because you do want to use a bit of the time to sort of review the stuff that you've done throughout the year, read a CGP book, look at your consolidated notes, look over the past papers you've done. But you don't really want to wake up too early because you don't want to get tired during the exam. Now, sleeping too late, again, I'm a victim of this. I definitely used to go to sleep on FaceTime with my friends, watching some horror stories or things like that. You do not want to do that because it will literally ruin your sleep schedule. I used to do this during my GCSE, so please don't do this and don't be like me. Make sure you're getting your 8 hours of sleep because it is going to be important for you, okay? What you also want to do is after you wake up, just eat a banana or eat a chocolate bar, something that will give you a high burst of energy, but don't have a full-on breakfast like hash browns, beans, or a full-on English breakfast. You don't want to go into the exam fully full up from this food. Now this is sort of after the exam. Once you've finished an exam, I know you're going to be like, oh my god, what did you get for question 4? Oh my god, I got 3. What did you get? Oh, I got 5. Oh, wait, so how did it go? Oh my god, it went really bad. Oh. Things like that. I know it's human nature to ask your friends how they did, what they thought of a few questions, but a lot of them just will literally hate you for that. Don't do that unless you know your friend. To be honest, it is human nature. I would like to do it to see how others felt about the exam. But don't overdo it. But if you did come out of the exam thinking you did really, really bad, trust me, it still can go well. I remember coming out of my physics exam for GCSEs and I thought I did so bad, but I ended up doing really well. So just remember, even if you found it bad, it might not have gone bad. You should have all looked at your exam timetable. You should know exactly when your exams are. I think this year they're doing paper 1s before half term and papers 2 after half term. Now this is actually literally perfect because at the moment you can spend time working on paper 1 and then during the half term you can spend time working on paper 2. So please use your half term time wisely. Don't stay up all night on call with your friends watching some stories, or don't let them keep you up until 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then you end up waking up at 12 o'clock and that's half of your day gone because you don't revise from in the evening. Don't do that. Try getting off your phone and have a phoneless life for a bit. During half term, make sure you're sort of planning your day. I'd recommend a planner, or basically just create a to-do list. Check things off and focus on the things that are on the specification that you completely hate, or the things that you are really, really struggling with still. Focus on those red topics. Use the traffic light system because that will guide you through what you don't know and what you do know. So just focus on the topics you don't know, which are the red ones. It might be a bit too late. If it is a bit too late, then literally just go straight to the past papers for that topic and learn the keywords that the mark scheme is looking for. Let's just go back to sleeping early again. Don't sleep too late. And trust me, this is a really, really big point. Now, I'd say probably get to sleep at like 8 or 9 o'clock. It's fairly reasonable, I guess, or maybe 10 o'clock. But when you're sleeping, I'm pretty sure your brain is processing the information you did during the day. And that's why it's basically considered revising during your sleep. And that's what you're essentially doing in one phase of your sleep cycle. So remember, getting this sleep is really, really important because it does sort of reinforce the knowledge you gained from that day from maybe reading a textbook or actively learning something. And finally, make sure you have a cup of water always next to you because you do not want to be dehydrated, especially during exam season when it's really, really hot. Don't be dehydrated because you do not want to get a headache during your exam. So please just have a cup of water. A bottle of water would be even better, and keep sipping on it throughout the day. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot that you have stayed until the end, and good luck with your GCSEs. You will do amazing. Good luck with your A-levels. You're going to do amazing. Good luck with your, is it Scottish National Fives, or your AP exams, or your SATs, or your IBs. But honestly, you're going to do amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe.